Welcome to another video for math. In this video we're discussing logarithms once again. We're going to highlight two problems that deal with natural log, log base e, and log base 10. These are cancellation laws that we've discussed in a previous video. We're just kind of just doing more examples so you can see how this works. So here's my problem. I have 5,000 equals 2,500 times e raised to the 4x. Now I want to solve for x, and x is in an exponent, so I want to simplify this problem. So the first thing I want to do is I want to get rid of my 2,500, so I will divide by 2,500 to both sides, and I end up with e raised to the 4x power. Now my next step is I want to multiply both sides by natural log. Now keep in mind, if you see there in the red, natural log is the same thing as log base e. And so my cancellation law states that if my log base e, and my term are the same, so you have e and e are the same, then they will cancel out, leaving me with the exponent term. So again, keep in mind that natural log, ln, is the same thing as log base e. And since both my base, e, and my term, e, are the same, they will cancel out, leaving me with 4x on both sides. Okay, so again, my natural log and my e will cancel out, leaving me with natural log times 2 on the left side, because 5,000 divided by 2,500 is 2, equals 4x. So I'm close to isolating my x. So I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides, leaving me with natural log times 2 divided by 4. So in my graphing calculator, I'll find my natural log button, and then I'll have an open parentheses, and I can click on 2 and then close parentheses, and that will leave me with 0.6931 divided by 4. And then just divide by 4, and I end up with 0.1733, and that's my answer. That's x. Alright, so let's take a look at another cancellation law. Here I have 10 raised to the 3x power equals 7. So again, these cancellation laws are very helpful when I'm trying to solve for a variable that is in an exponent position. So I have 10, so I'm going to multiply both sides by log, which also equals log base 10. So log and log base 10 are the same thing. Remember that log base 10 is so common that it's typically written as just log, and it doesn't usually have that base 10 in there. So you'll notice that that base 10, which is understood but not written in, is the same as my term x. So log base 10 to the 10 raised 3x power equals log base 10 of 7. So that means that since my base and my term are the same, they're going to cancel out, leaving me with what the exponent is, which is 3x. So that's the cancellation law at play in this case. And on the right side of the equation, I have log base 10 of 7. That still remains the same. So then I just divide by 3, and I have isolated my variable, log base 10 of 7 divided by 3. And I just go to my graphing calculator and type that in, and I end up with 0.2817, and I have solved for x. So this is the work that I've just done. This is the summary of it, so you can kind of pause it and take a look, work these problems out on your own, and check your work. So I hope this was helpful. I'll make more videos in the future with more problems, just so you can get used to it. Alright, thanks for listening, thanks for watching, good luck in your studying.